Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a story on Facebook. To do that is super easy. Once you're on Facebook, go ahead and look at the top. You will see the option that you can go ahead and use to create a post. Or below that, you will see, and below that, you will see create story. Click on create story and you'll be able to create a photo story, or you can create a text story. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just say a photo story. Click on photo and just basically choose, for example, this Grok logo right here. And let's say this is what I want. I'm going to leave it as is. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on share. And that's pretty much it. You can also go ahead and add text, music, and other alternative text to it. So I'm going to just add text, for example, and I'm going to just say, for example, the real deal. Let's put it like that. So let's say that's what I want to write, and just choose a different color. For example, I'm going to choose something that is visible. Let's use this one. You can also change it to make it headline. You can make it fancy. You can make it simple. Whatever it is that you want to choose, you can choose it, right? But that's it. You go ahead and you make changes to your text. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you go ahead and make text on your story. Then all you have to do is click and share, and it's going to share your story on your profile. And that is basically it, guys. Now you can see I've created a story, and the story is there on my Facebook profile. That's it.